Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to create this cartoon style picture from any picture in the Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you enjoy my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps support the channel and allows me to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. I'm just opening a new page, going to the apps, using this Cartoonify application. The only thing what I need to do is choose a file, and as like the other two applications what I show, that's much better if the picture is without a background. Now we are uploaded. The system has uploaded a picture, and as you can see, more or less created now same picture from this one. Now this tutorial is going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in my next tutorial. Ciao.